Welcome to MicroStrategy's Developer Academy. This course is entitled Using the Button feature. In versions of MicroStrategy 9.3 and older, we used image links to mimic the look and feel of buttons on mobile devices. This video will present you with the steps to create buttons using the button object introduced in MicroStrategy 9.3.1. Prior to this video, the user should also understand working with images. Linking with URL API is also a useful course. We typically use buttons as part of a stylized navigation bar. After an image is created and inserted, you can link to another document. Simply enter a hyperlink under General, Properties, and Formatting. Or use Edit Links. We can also create custom buttons for actions like emailing, annotating, or going to a previous document by inserting a URL API link. When the image is tapped on a mobile device, it acts as a button. In MicroStrategy 9.3.1, the new button feature allows you to place button objects instead of images for a more realistic user experience. Each button has 4 components: an icon, a caption, a custom image, and an action. The icon is an image within the button frame that denotes the button action. The caption is a label for the button. The custom image fills the background of a button, and an action is a link that defines where the button takes the user. As a prerequisite, you must have the custom icons created and stored in your image servers. The image should have a normal state and a highlighted state. The highlighted state does not have to be defined, and it optimizes the user experience by allowing the users to understand where they are in the application, and it gives them feedback that they have tapped on a button. Steps. Step 1. When you have the necessary images, you can add a button object by going to Insert Button and selecting one of 5 button types. This can be changed later in Properties and Formatting. Step 2. Use the crosshairs to drag out a rectangle the size of your button. This will be the button frame. Right-click and go to Properties and Formatting. Step 3. Navigate to the button submenu. Here you can enter the image sources for both the normal state and the highlighted state. Click on the gear icon to apply changes. Step 4. Specify the action of the button by selecting a document for the button to run to. Step 5. You can modify the background color of the button to any desired color, and you can give it either a flat or glossy feel. Step 6. After applying the changes, modify the text beneath the icon to the desired caption. Make sure the label is intuitive enough for the user to understand in 1 or 2 words. Step 7. Save the document, then test the button on mobile to see how it functions. Navigation template. On the iPhone document template, there is a pre-configured navigation bar that you can use. The standard iOS navigation is on the bottom and has a default look, so by using the template you can save several steps in the document design. You can edit each button individually so that they are customized to your documents. Keep in mind that while the button feature was designed with navigation bars in mind, it can be used in conjunction with URL APIs to perform many other actions. The button object is flexible and easy to use for MicroStrategy users. This concludes the course offering. Thank you for your attention. Be sure to also review the companion document offered for download.